Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to put your name on lock screen iPhone. So if you want to put your name just like this on your iPhone lock screen, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to put your name on your iPhone lock screen, go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down your iPhone settings, locate and click on focus. Click on the plus button at top right, then click on custom. Go ahead and give your focus a name. Now, you want to type in the name you want to display on your iPhone lock screen. So just go ahead and type in the name. And then after that, check through and click icon to define that. Then click on next. Now, go ahead and customize your focus. And then scroll down. You can click on smart activation to turn on smart activation. And again, scroll down, you can add filter, you can add schedule. Here you want to customize the screen, then you can add your choice of photo you want to appear on the lock screen. So in this case, click on check mark at top right. Once you selected the lock screen, at the same time you can click on this to select how you want your home page to look, like that. And if you want to use this on your smartwatch, click on smartwatch. Now click on choose people. Here, click on silent notifications from, and then click on check mark at the top right. The answer of this is you'll be able to receive calls even while you choose this focus on your phone. After that, go ahead and swipe down the control center. And on the control center, you want to click and hold focus. Then select the focus you just created, like this. And then go outside. Now, whenever your iPhone screen is locked, like this, then you'll be able to see your name on your iPhone lock screen. So that's exactly how to put your name on lock screen on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.